I don't know, I don't think the snow is going to show up in the video, but yeah, it's definitely coming down. This is February 4th, I think. I don't know, it's not holidays anymore. I just leave the lights up because I enjoy them in the snow and when it gets dark early. Today's video, we're going to play with some toys and make a base for a light for hydroponics. This is the light we're going to use. This is kind of a rough drawing of what we're making. So we got the plasma cutter out, traced this around, and now we're going to start cutting. You're starting to get the picture, and in case you're curious, this is the welder I use. That's about where I have it set. I always keep the wire speed on automatic, I like that. And then this is the plasma cutter I use, just in case you're interested. This is a body shim. Gonna use it to hang the light from, weld it to a rod. You'll see when it's done. Like it's the way you want it.
I think this is it.
Right there?
Yep.
That's where you want it welded here?
Yep.
Alright, I'm just going to tack it and then you can look. I need to add some more temperature to the welder. It looks like it needs to go this way to add. Bend it around more, you know, you can bend this back, bend it over, play with it. I think that'll do. It turned out really nice. Give it a paint job. just so you can see what it is if you're interested. Oh, you can hang it like a picture on the wall too. Alright, there we go. There's nothing on the back. That's actually pretty slick. I like it. That'll make some happy plants. Stop them from losing their leaves. Well, you saw how it's going to look with the light on it. And there it is, all finished up. That's what we're going to hook the light on. Hey, it'll look nice. The nuts on there welded underneath, just give it a little gap between the floor and the base. A little light reflecting in the paint. The paint's going to dry matte. It's not going to be glossy, is it? I know a lot of you guys see this clock in the video. I used to collect clocks. I don't have many of them anymore, but I picked that up. It's pretty good size. I'll get a tape measure and give you a measurement of it. So that clock measures an honest from top to bottom, not face, top to bottom 20 inches. The face is about 18 and a half. But I bought that clock. It was in a factory, and I think the factory did body or paint work or something. I bought it at a flea market, and the guy promised me, I gave him $5 for it, and he promised me it worked. But you couldn't hardly see the face. The glass was so caked in overspray and crud. And the bezel, it was just so nasty. I just, didn't even know if it was savable. But I took it home, plugged it in, did work. And I literally had to take a razor blade to scrape the stuff off the face, the glass. But I took the clock 100% apart and redid it. It's a Strongberg. And look at that too. Anyway, and this is the time set, which is kind of nice. I don't have to take it off the wall to change the time on it. But I've had that for about 30 years now. And the red on it, if any of you guys are into old outboard motors, there used to be this motor called a Galaxie. And I used to work as a marine mechanic. That's what I retired from. And I collected outboards, and I had a couple Galaxies that I wanted to restore back to original. So I had the paint matched and mixed, and that's it. I was painting this clock about the time I was painting those outboards, and I thought, you know what, that red would probably look good on there. So that's why I chose to go with red on it. I think it was originally kind of a brown color, but it was so nasty I couldn't really tell. I think it was like a crinkle brown finish. But anyway, that's my garage clock, just in case if anyone out there is into clocks or interested in them. We did get snow last night. I tried to get a little video, which you will see, but yeah, it's really become cold out. It was 33 last night. It actually snowed and changed to rain. We got about maybe 5 or 6 inches, and when it changed to rain, it brought it down to about 2, and it just kind of made everything a frozen, crusty mess. But the snowblower got a good workout in that heavy wet snow. That's a 1976. I didn't make video of snow blowing because I have videos up of snow blowing. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you like it, definitely hit the like button. If you like my channel, hit that 348 engine icon, subscribe to it, and thank you for watching my video.